More than 50 years ago, Steve McQueen appeared on television sets across the country as Josh Randall, lead character of Wanted Dead or Alive, a program that aired on CBS for 3 seasons. The show ran for 94 episodes, but never did develop the historical staying power of some of its peers. McQueen, meanwhile, would move on to countless larger roles, usually on the silver screen. The show did leave one legacy, though: the unique sidearm carried by its hero, which the writers eventually christened the Mare's Leg. The program's original Mare's Leg was created by cutting down a Winchester Model 1892 rifle to a size that could be worn in a leg holster and used with one hand. The barrel was shortened, and the buttstock was nearly eliminated. It gave McQueen's character an original, iconic-looking firearm to wield against the bad guys, and the public took note. As such, it's no surprise that over the years, a number of companies have released their own versions of the Mare's Leg design, like the one I'm holding here, which is a .22 caliber model produced by Henry Repeating Arms. Henry produces 2 breeds of the Mare's Leg: the rimfire version, which shoots .22 long rifle, .22 long, and .22 short, and a centerfire version, which shoots .357 mag, 44 mag, and 45 Colt. Though its family tree certainly has rifle roots, the Mare's Leg is produced and marketed as a lever-action pistol, which keeps it legal. Both versions of the Mare's Leg sport a large loop lever and a handcrafted American walnut stock that's designed to the specifications of the gun McQueen carried on TV. There's even a saddle ring for a little added authenticity. The .22 has a blued receiver, a 10-round capacity, and weighs just less than 5 pounds. It comes with a fully adjustable rear sight and a hooded front sight. The larger caliber model comes with a brass receiver and can handle 5 rounds. It weighs just a little under 6 pounds and comes with a fully adjustable semi-buckhorn rear sight and a brass-beaded front sight. Every Mare's Leg is equipped with an easy-loading tubular magazine design. Whether you grew up watching westerns or just can't help but look at a lever action without feeling a little cowboy fever, the Mare's Leg can help sate your desire to relive the Old West. It's about as an authentic reproduction as you're going to find, and, like all Henry guns, it's 100% made in the USA. To learn more about the Henry Mare's Leg or to catch up on other guns of the week, keep watching AmericanRifleman.org.